Hello students. So previous classes we have completed exercise 9.1 examples related to exercise 9.1, which means concept 9.1 we have completed fully. In this video we will see various forms of a line that comes under concept 9.2. Wonderful concept this one is. Various forms of a line. How can a line take various forms? That is a part we are going to see now. So first one is point slope form. What do you mean by point slope form? Point slope form. This one is also known as one point form. One point. Why do we call this as one point form? In the question, if they gave only one point on the slope, that one is a major point here. One point and one slope, then we can use this formula. How we will derive this formula, let us see. What is a point first of all? Okay, before going to that, this chapter is full of graph because a line lies on a graph. So simple a graph, and this line is this one is a line, let us say. Okay, and this point is P1. P1 coordinates is x1 comma y1, and this point is P, and this line coordinates is x comma y. Now what we are going to take is distance between these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points we are going to take, or else we will take slope. We will take slope of this line. I know these 2 points, so I will take slope of this line. So what is the slope formula? Slope of P1 x1 comma y1 and P x comma y. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So what is the slope formula? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So M is equal to, what is y2 minus y1 here? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is x minus x1. Simply I can write this equation as can we take this side? So I can write y1, y minus y1, y, this is y minus y1 equal to, I am taking this x minus x1 left hand side, so m into x minus x1, and this is the most important result. Without this, no chapter. So this is a wonderful formula. Okay, how I derived? I am taking a line and I am locating 2 points there, and I'm finding the slope of that line. How can I find the slope when I know 2 points? So wonderful point I have got is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And this formula when I can use, when one point is given, only 1 point and the slope is given, or 2 points is given and they are asking us to find the slope and another point is given, that is 3 points. Okay, this is point slope form. Next one is 2 point form. There's no 3 point form and all, only 1 point, 2 point. Total chatter depends upon 1 point and 2 point. Two-point form. What is 2 point form? How can I derive? I already said 3 points are required to 3 points are required to okay. So I'm constructing a graph. This one is x, y, and this is a line. One. This is a line, and this one is, I can take this one as P2. This one is x2 comma y2. And this point as P. Point P is x comma y. And this point as P1. What is P1 coordinates? x1 comma y1. So I can write, so what can I do here? I can take slope of P1. What is P1? x1 comma y1, and slope of P. So these 2 points I'm going to take the slope. What is P point? X comma y. So equal to slope of, I'm going to equate the slope. What can I do? P1 P2, can I take P1? P1 is x1 comma y1. So and P2. What is P2? x2 comma y2. Simply, what is the slope formula? x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here I will get x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 is y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is x minus x1, equal to x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. wonderful formula. So these two results are very important for the upcoming result. Okay, next result is precious result, that is slope intercept form. Slope intercept. Slope intercept form, that means sometimes a line is known to us. Okay, sometimes a line is known with its slope only. Okay, and an intercept on one of the axis. Okay, sometimes a line will be known and that line slope will be also known. What is the intercept of one axis also we know. Intercept means nothing. A intercept to B intercept. A intercept means y axis, B intercept means x axis. So we will now find the equation of each of them. Okay, there are two cases. First I will discuss case 1. Case 1 is I am constructing a graph. Okay, this one not needed. Derivation and all, it will go very big. If you okay, I will do. This one is a graph. And let's say this is a line. So this is a line with slope m, and this line is I'm constructing as L, and what is this point I'm taking it as, what is x-axis and the y-axis. X-axis வந்துட்டு y-axisல 0 வா இருக்கும். So 0 comma I'm taking this point as C. Suppose a line with slope m cuts the y-axis at a distance C. I am taking this distance as C from the origin, the most wonderful point from the origin. Obviously, coordinates of the point where the line meet the y-axis are 0, C. Why 0, C? The distance between the origin, this distance is C. So what can I write? So thus the line L has slope m and passes through a fixed point. That fixed point is 0, C. Therefore point slope form. What is point slope form? One point form. So I'm putting one point form for this point 0, C. What is one point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 y1. So y minus, what is y1? C equal to m into x minus x1, that is x minus 0. So automatically I will get y minus c is equal to m, mx, mx. So the wonderful result is y is equal to mx plus c. Wonderful result. Okay, this is the slope intercept form. If instead of C I am getting suppose line L with slope M makes XC intercept as D. So this is for Y intercept. First case, this is for Y intercept. Y intercept. Okay. Y-intercept means if they mention Y-intercept, then you have to use this case. For second case, if they ask X-intercept, my equation will be Y is equal to M into X, we want to subtract D. Y into M into X. Y is equal to M into X minus D. Okay. Next. Last concept is intercept form. This one is slope intercept form. That means slope involvement will be there. This one is without slope, no slope involvement. That one is intercept form. Intercept form means if I take graph and this line I am constructing, consider a line. Suppose a line L makes x-intercept A and x-intercept as A and y-intercept as B on the axis. Axis means nothing, y-axis, x-axis. So this point I am taking this line, obviously this is x-axis, this line cuts x-axis at 0, B, and this line which cuts the x-axis I am taking it as A, 0. So now you understood x-intercept is A, x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. Okay, and why I'm taking this as 0? Okay, this distance is B. If this distance is B, then only I can take this point as 0, B. If this distance is A, then only I can take this distance as A. This point as A, 0. And this is line L. Okay, what can I do? I know these 2 points. Can I use 2-point form? What is 2-point form? Y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Obviously this point is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I can take, so after solving this, the final result I will write x by a plus y by b equal to 1 major formula. One of the wonderful result. These 2.1 point formulas are buy one get two free. These results are buy one get two free. Nothing is there in this result. You don't want to remember these derivations, but you want நான் எதெல்லாம் பாக்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கணும் அதெல்லாம் you must know these results. And one of the most important which I have missed is general equation of line. Put the heading general equation of line. The general equation of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. These and all we are going to apply in this upcoming examples, exercise, all this we are going to apply. Okay children, that's all the concepts for moving on to exercise 9.2. and as I already told, don't practice the extra sums from the online, practice examples, that's enough for your extra sums. And from next session onwards we will continue with examples, and after examples we will move on to exercise sums. Okay, thank you.